Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've been having some minor inconveniences with the car, and I got some products from Hansshow that I want to show you guys that it's fixed my issues. And I feel like I'm not the only one that experiences these, so hopefully this will help some of you too. So a couple days after I got the car, I installed these RGB lighting strips that go across here and under here, and also on the dash over here. And these lights perform really well. They look very nice. They look stock with the car, but the only inconvenience I was having with them is that I wasn't able to have them plugged in and the dash cam going at the same time because they are plugged in through USB in my glove box. But as you can see, I got a solution to that problem. So normally in the glove box, you just get one USB-A port. And the issue with that, as I was saying, was I wasn't able to plug in the dash cam USB and the ambient lighting USB together. So this product over here is what was able to fix that issue for me. I'm able to plug in the dash cam, the ambient lighting, and whatever else I have to plug in. There's other USB-A and USB-C ports to plug into. And it has this cool like Cybertruck kind of design, and it just plugs in simply. It fits perfectly in the glove box. And what's really nice about this is it doesn't affect the speed of the dash cam at all. Like the dash cam still writes and reads the same speed with this. Just make sure that you plug in the dash cam to the blue port. So that's what I'm going to do now, just to show you guys. Plug in the dash cam USB to the blue port, and then this is the USB-C cable for the ambient lighting. So plug that in there, and then whatever else, I still have two more ports that I can plug in. So the glove box in this car is actually pretty small, but this fits in perfectly. It just slots in like this. Let me do that now. All right, and there you go, that's plugged in. The ambient lighting is back on, and the dash cam is now available. So that's all working great. I never really thought to buy like a USB hub before, but it's really helped me with that inconvenience that I had of having to unplug the ambient lighting anytime that I wanted the dash cam. So now I can have them both running at the same time. And yeah, so the next product that I also got sent out, which you probably already saw when I was showing the ambient lighting, is this center console charging hub. So yeah, it's super thin. It fits in perfectly with the car. You don't even notice it's there. You can still slide this back perfectly fine. Once this opens up, you have two USB-C cables, one 60 watt and the other is 30 watts. And it has this like light, so you can see at night, it illuminates this area down here. And there's also another USB-C port that you can plug in any charging cable that you have, and that's 30 watts. So there are a bunch of these on the market, but I think this one is the best looking one. It looks like it fits in with the car. I've seen other ones that just look really janky. They look low quality. This one feels really high quality. The cables pull out. They're retractable, so they just go back in. And once it retracts, there's like a magnet that keeps the cable in place. And what's also nice is it has these little stoppers on both sides so that the cables are still accessible. And then whenever you don't want them there, you just push down these two and slide it forward. So this is what it's like to use it. You're pushing here, and then it's gonna get stuck on those like stoppers. So you can just either like push down and push, or what I like to do is if your finger's on like the bottom of this, it just pushes across. It's not like hard to push or anything, so it's not anything you got to worry about. And then to close it, you're just pushing down these two tabs and closes just like that. So super simple. You grab the cable you want to use, extend it, stop it, and it has this cool like Cybertruck design to it as well. And when you plug it in, it's just like the Cybertruck front light bar. It lights up the front of it. So that's just like a cool little addition. So yeah, the reason I wanted to get this was the wireless charger in the car isn't super fast at charging. This charger can charge at the maximum wattage that your phone can charge at. And on top of that, it doesn't heat up your phone like the wireless charger does. So whenever you put your phone on the wireless charger, you probably pick it up and notice that it's hot on the back. And with this, it doesn't heat up your phone at all because it has something called a GaN chip, and that doesn't allow your phone to get hot. It's in all of like the mainstream chargers. You've probably already heard of it before. And what's also nice about it is that whenever people get in my car, they ask for a charger. This charger can actually reach into the back seat as well. I don't have to have any cables laying around. They retract perfectly. It looks seamless. It matches the same exact like silver color as these handles, and I just think it looks so clean and adds so much functionality. And I'm really happy with both of these products, and I'm happy that I was able to find something this high quality that looks so nice, because I don't like overdoing it with the accessories in my car, and I feel like this one just fits in perfectly. It looks stock. So if you guys wanted to get either one of these products, I'm going to be putting them in the link in the description.
Also, when placing your order, don't forget to use code HADDY20 at checkout for 20% off of your order.
And in this video, you might have actually noticed that I finally got that carbon fiber installed in the center console. They finally came in. They look super nice. And I also installed the carbon fiber on the outside of the car. And as you can see now, my mirror is also carbon fiber, and I added a few other carbon fiber accessories on the outside that I'm gonna be making a video on really soon. So stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions about either of these products or anything else that I've added to my car, leave them down in the comments below. And also while you're down there, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and have a good one. Peace.